Here we go again now. So yesterday we have worked on this iPad 6th generation. We have got the old LCD out, and we're gonna put a new one in, which is I did already. So we gotta make sure the digitizer is connected, and that's for the LCD right here. So we're just gonna have to, lower it in by the screws right here, and we're gonna lower it a little bit more, and hook up this, and then just lower it down all the way. Now, there's the cab right here. I tested already, everything good, just need to be charged, but I'm gonna have to put the cab first. So take it up a little bit like this, and then I'm gonna have to put the cab right here. It's got 3 screws that we took off yesterday. Over here. Make sure you hold the wires are really sensitive. You don't want to cut them. We're gonna put this one first right here. It's the first one. Second one. And the last one. So that's connected, that's good. Now we just have to put it back where the screws are. Lower it down. Make sure it's touching the other screws. Make sure everything's in place. Okay, now we have the 4 screws that we took out yesterday. 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Well, make sure your screwdriver is magnetized enough to hold them. And we're gonna put the first one in. iPads are magnetized from the side, so it'll catch every screw. So you gotta be careful, small screws around, you just have to be careful to not leave it around it, because it's gonna get stuck to the side of it. And you can't, once you close the digitizer, it might stuck. It looks like they have been worked on this thing before. You can tell that it's been worked on before. These screws comes up covered with a little black tape thing, and it's not there anymore, so you can tell that somebody have worked on this before. Screws in place. Everything's good. The last one. Alright, so everything's good, everything's in place. I'm gonna try to test it. not really charged enough, so when you hook up the charger, it's gonna give you the, here we go, battery is getting charged. You can see it, maybe not. Yeah, you can. So it shows the battery right here, and that means, you know, it's the LCD is working, everything good. So I can wait on it till it's charged, but by the time, we just have to shut it down. Everything looks good. Home button looks good. We didn't have to take anything. We didn't have to take the home button, so we just have to close it. Make sure there's no glass left or anything, any screws, because once you shut the digitizer and there's something stuck, it's gonna break it. So you just have to be careful. Lift it up a little bit from here, since it's stuck to the side. There we go. Then just have to put it back in place. Right at the first corner, top, bottom corner. Move it a little bit to that side, a little bit from this side, and we're just gonna press on it evenly, little by little. There we go. Okay. Scanners. Hello? Okay. That looks pretty good. All I have to do is just wait on it till it's charged. Oh, matter of fact, I forgot something. You know what? I forgot something. Oh, here we go. It's turning on. So, yeah, everything good. It's great. This is great. And this is the iPad 7th generation. Thank you. Here we go. It's disabled. Try again 13 minutes, but that's not my problem. So I'm